Can I be honest with you? The first thing that stops people from starting their school isn't paperwork, isn't location. It is the voice that says, where will I get the money from? I had a call yesterday with someone who has land, has vision, has decent experience and understanding of education, but has been stuck for 2 years thinking they need a couple of crores more in their bank account before they can even start. Here is what nobody tells you. You don't need all the money on day one. I've seen schools start with a few crores and scale smartly. People say education isn't a bankable project. However, we have actually gotten schools funded. Banks are a good growth partner than seed funders. Banks invest in education projects when the plan is right. So the question isn't, do I have enough money? The question is, do I have a fundable plan? Because investors, banks, and even partners, they invest in clarity, not just capital. If you've been putting off your school dream because of the money conversation, let's have a different conversation.